Hey guys, today we'll make the water meat barbecue from Onepiece. This recipe is a flavorful piece of meat which you can easily make at home. I want to thank Typhur, the sponsor of this video, which I'll talk about later. But first, without any further ado, let's make it. To begin with, I first got me some sirloin steak. You can also use ribeye. You want to keep the fat, since that's extra flavor. Cut it into cubes and then put it into a bowl so that we can season it. Add salt, chili pepper, smoked paprika, and olive oil so that it can stick. Grab a glove, flex your muscles, and start mixing it. While mixing, I realized that I forgot the garlic powder, so don't forget to add it. Mix it further, and then wrap it up in some plastic and put it into the fridge so the flavors get to know each other, ideally for a few hours. We'll also need some vegetables. We'll start with a green bell pepper. Cut the head off and rip out its core. It sounded kinda gruesome, but you get the point. Cut it up like this and make squares out of it, around the same size as your meat. And then we'll prep the onions. Cut it in half, remove the skin, and then peel the layers off one by one. Cut the onions the same size as your beef and peppers. And now, with the vegetables and meat prepared, it's time for a glaze. We'll add some soy sauce, honey, and sesame oil to a bowl and mix it thoroughly. And with that, we have all our ingredients and we can start with our skewers. Beforehand, I'll soak the skewers in some water for at least half an hour. If you don't do this, they'll turn into flames, like Ace. After that, we can start building our meat skewers. I started with a cube of meat, and then I stacked it with vegetables in between. And with that, the skewers are done. Glaze your meat with the soy mix, and then we can start cooking it. You can totally do this on a barbecue, but since it's winter, I'll do this at home, in my Typhur Airfryer. This air fryer is genuinely amazing. It's packed with a lot of different features. Depending on what function you use, you can make a pizza, a steak, wings, fries, or you can toast, grill, bake, or even air fry. It has dual top and bottom heating, so you'll always get even cooking and you don't have to keep flipping things around. You can easily cook for the whole family or meal prep for the week. And for those interested, check the link in the description below and don't forget to use the discount code on the screen for 10% off your order. Huge thanks to Typhur, and let's get back to cooking. I added my meat skewers into the basket. About 5 could fit in. I put it in, and then I put it on the grill function. I let it go, and about halfway through, I got it out, added some more of the soy glaze, and back in she goes. And that's it. There goes the timer. Get it out and admire its beauty. Serve it on a plate, and that's it. The water meat barbecue from Onepiece is done. Now for the taste test. This is seriously amazing. It melts in your mouth and it has this deep and rich umami flavor. I honestly hope that you guys try making it. Once more, don't forget to check out the air fryer from Typhur. And as always, thank you for watching and have a nice day.